Before we dive into the how-tos, let's take a moment to get inspired by the endless possibilities out there. Picture this, a beautiful raised garden bed made from repurposed wooden pallets, adding a rustic charm to your backyard. Or perhaps a sturdy garden bed built using concrete blocks with additional planting pockets for an extra dash of greenery. Or even a unique spiral garden bed made from natural stones, offering different planting zones for a diverse range of plants. These are just a few examples of what you can create, so take these examples as your inspiration and let your creativity run wild. Remember, your garden is a reflection of you, so make it uniquely yours. Now let's get started on turning that dream garden bed into reality. Ever wanted to have your own garden bed but worried about the cost? Fear no more, because today you're about to discover how to create your own little piece of paradise without breaking the bank. Imagine stepping out into your backyard and seeing a vibrant garden bed filled with your favorite flowers, vegetables, or herbs. But instead of spending hundreds of dollars, you've built it with little to no money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. First things first, you need to find the right spot. It should be a place that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Most plants love the sun, so the more, the merrier. Next, you'll need to gather materials. Look around your home for items that can be repurposed. Old wooden pallets make excellent garden bed frames. If you don't have any lying around, check local businesses. Many are more than happy to give away their unused pallets for free. Now, it's time to assemble your garden bed. Place the pallets in your chosen spot, making sure they're level. You can even stack them for a raised garden bed. This not only gives your garden a unique look, but also makes it easier to maintain. Once your bed frame is ready, fill it with soil. If you're on a tight budget, consider making your own compost. Kitchen scraps, yard waste, even coffee grounds can be turned into rich, nutrient-packed soil. It might take some time, but it's worth the wait. After the soil is in place, it's time for the fun part, planting. Seeds are a cost-effective option. They may take longer to grow, but the satisfaction of watching your plants sprout from tiny seeds is priceless. Water your garden regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Too much water can lead to root rot, which can kill your plants. And remember, patience is key. Gardening is a labor of love, and good things come to those who wait. So, there you have it. A simple, budget-friendly way to create your own garden bed. You found the perfect spot, gathered your materials, assembled your bed, filled it with soil, planted your seeds, and learned how to care for your garden. And the best part, you've done it all without spending a fortune. This just goes to show that with a little creativity and elbow grease, you can have the garden of your dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating your garden oasis today. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Happy gardening!